Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Okay, let's start with the review. We have Medesun Medical Coding and Billing Training Academy. The CEO of this institute is Dr. M. Santosh Kumar Gupta. And this institute offers comprehensive medical coding training, which is integrated with AI. They are covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topic to be covered and required today to be a medical coder. So this is the advantage. Also, they are providing certification, which will be helpful for you further in this industry. Hands-on internship is also there. The mode of training is both online and offline. Okay, if we talk about the curriculum, they have comprehensive curriculum, which is aligned with AAPC guidelines. Also, they are covering AI, which is one of the most required topic to be covered. And they have ICD-10 CM, CPT coding, and HIPX coding. This is the most important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. And if we talk about the fees they have listed is 21,500. And I guess this amount is very decent. Also, the duration is for 2 months and 1 month exams. Okay, overall, this course is well designed, well and good. Now, let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, I would rate it 1 because they are aligned with AAPC, obviously. Updated and comprehensive curriculum they have, so I would rate it 1. They have professional instructors, so I would rate it 1. Practical training and case studies they have, so I would rate it 1. Certification exam preparation, yes, they are making you prepared for CPC and CCS exams, so I would rate it 1. They are assuring you 100% placement, so I would rate it 1. Student reviews and success rate, they have alumni reviews. You can check it out by yourself, so I would rate it 1. Course fees, duration, and payment option. Course fees was listed, duration was listed, payment option was not listed, so I would rate it 0. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is 8.2. And they have comprehensive curriculum and everything which is required to be a medical coder. But if you're looking for the best medical coding institute, I have already put the link in the description. You may check it out. And that institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So you may consider that institute if you are serious about your career in medical coding field. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching.